the Cordillera Administrative Region, or CAR, is a region in the northern part of Luzon and composed of 6 provinces. Here are the provinces and their respective capitals are as follows. Province of Abra, Bangged, Abra capital. Apayao Province, Cabugao, Benguet, La Trinidad, Benguet, Ifugao Province, Lagawe, Ifugao capital. Kalinga Province, Tabuk, Kalinga capital. Mountain Province, Bontog capital. Abra known for its natural attractions such as the Kaparkan Falls, Tugot ni Angalo, and the Malapao and Tineg Hot Spring. It is also famous for its hand-woven textiles and the colorful Abreñan Festival. Apayao known for its natural attractions such as the Maton River, the Maldela Waterfalls, and the Mambaka Hanging Bridge. The province is also home to the Kalinga and Isdek ethnic groups and celebrates the Amungan Festival every March. Benguet, known for its cool climate and scenic mountain views. Benguet is a popular destination for hiking, strawberry picking, and vegetable farming. It is also home to the famous tourist spots such as the Strawberry Farm in La Trinidad, the Kabayan Mami Burial Caves, and the Mount Pulag National Park. Ifugao, known for its famous rice terraces, which have been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is also home to the Ifugao culture, which is known for its rich traditions and colorful festivals. Kalinga, known for its indigenous communities and traditional tattooing practices. The province is home to the famous Kalinga tattoo artist, Apo Wangod, and the Kalinga Bodong Peace Pact, a unique system of conflict resolutions among the tribes. Mountain province, known for its rugged terrain, scenic mountain views, and unique cultural practices. The province is home to the Bontoc Museum, which showcases the rich culture and history of the Cordilleran people. It is also famous for its coffee and the annual Langay Festival, a celebration of the province's cultural heritage.